Top students don't learn faster than you, but special agents do. And today, I'm exposing their secret. You sit for hours, books open, videos playing, but nothing sticks. Meanwhile, some people learn in half the time. Why? Because they don't study. They use a technique called active recall under pressure. Yeah, sounds intense, because it is. Special agents use this to memorize critical information fast, without reading, without wasting time. Here's how it works. Most students do this. Read arrow highlight, reread arrow forget. It feels productive, but your brain is actually sleeping. Now flip it. Step 1, read something once, just once. Step 2, close the book. Now ask yourself, what did I just learn? Your brain will struggle. It will feel uncomfortable. Good. That discomfort, that's learning happening. Step 3, write or say everything you remember, even if it's messy, even if it's incomplete. Step 4, now check the book. See what you missed. This gap is your real weakness. And now your brain fixes it fast. This is exactly how agents train. Pressure, recall, correction, not passive reading, active struggle. And here's the truth nobody tells you. The more your brain struggles, the stronger it becomes. The easier it feels, the less you're learning. So next time you study, don't just read like everyone else. Challenge your brain. Force it to remember. Make it uncomfortable, because that's where real learning lives. You don't need more time. You need a better method. Study like a student. You'll stay average. Train like an agent, and you'll become unstoppable. And if you want more methods like this, you already know what to do. Then go and subscribe my channel for more methods.